Hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make a really delicious vegetable dish. And it's called Virginia's Sensational Spinach. Why Virginia? I have a sister who's older than I am, who's been a vegetarian for years and years, and she's always giving me recipes, and I love this one. So I wanted to share it with you. So I named it after her. You will like it as well, I'm sure. The first thing we're going to do is go to the stove and we're going to saute a half a cup of chopped onion with a fourth of a cup of red mini peppers. After that is tenderized, and that takes about 3 to 4 minutes. We're going to add a whole 5 ounces of spinach. And that's a container about this size. You know the ones. The last thing you do is to fold in very gently a half of a can of drained and rinsed garbanzo beans. Now, I want to tell you a little thing about garbanzo beans and me. I like garbanzo beans, but I don't like a clump of it. You know, your mouth gets too many clumps of garbanzo beans in your mouth. So what I've done in this one, you don't have to, but I cut them each in half like this. So instead of a lump like that, you have 2 little pieces. Each one of these are cut in half, and sometimes the skin will come off, but that's okay. So I'd save these last 3 so you could see that's what I did. Okay? So to the stove we go, and we'll put it all together. Okay, we're back from cooking the spinach, the sensational spinach, and it really looks wonderful. So I'm going to plate it now. This is the whole plate that I came up with. This is 1 cap that I had left in the refrigerator. It's my balsamic mushroom caps, the portobello mushroom caps. I had 1, so I just cut it up and put it on the plate. And I have a video for that. This is brown rice. It looks a little different than the brown rice I have cooked because I have another recipe that a viewer shared with me, and I can show you how to make it look like that. And then here's the sensational spinach from my sister Virginia. Now the plate's all done. My sister is vegetarian, and so she still eats feta cheese. I don't eat feta cheese, so I have a Alfredo sauce cheese recipe that I got from Britt from the Giroudi family on YouTube. I'll put the link below. She has a lot of wonderful recipes, and this is one of them. And so this is what I use. I take a little bit and I just put it right down the center. You can put a little bit on your mushroom. So that's it. Virginia's sensational spinach, portobello mushroom caps, balsamic mushroom caps, and then just plain old brown rice. Okay? I'm going to taste it because I know it's delicious. This, my dear troopers, is an excellent meal. That is really, really good.
Really good? You actually like your stuff?
It's really good.
What?
And so until next time, don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click on that bell so that every time we upload a new video, you will get the notification. So until next time, troopers, bye for now. Oh my gosh, this is so good.